Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to remove the rear view mirror in Acura RSX. First of all, you will see this plastic cover above the mirror, so you can use this as a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to pry it open like this. You'll see two hooks on the end, and behind the cover you will see three Phillips screws. I will use the Phillips bit to unscrew these screws. And the mirror is off. This is how the bracket looks like. Pretty straightforward. And this is the number for our mirror. The mirror is being screwed into the roof in this case, and the installation is being done exactly the same way. Reinstall the three screws and tighten them all the way. Now the cover will go back in, the end with the hooks will go in first, like this, and then simply push it in all the way. Thank you guys for watching, I hope this video was helpful, we'll see you in the next one.